Hello and welcome to the AI with Arun Show. In this episode, we are going to discuss a strategic partnership announced on October 7th, 2025, that fundamentally reshapes the landscape of enterprise AI. This is the alliance between IBM and Anthropic. This is not just another partnership. This is the formation of what we call the fourth pillar of enterprise AI. Until now, the market has been defined by three core ecosystems: Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. This alliance, which combines Anthropic's leading Claude AI with IBM's deep enterprise reach, creates a powerful, distinct fourth option for clients. The market reaction was immediate and decisive. Investors showed strong confidence in the strategic move as signaled by IBM's pre-market stock jump. This is not just a slight uptick. We saw an immediate 8.8% surge in the stock. To put that in context, IBM is already on a tear, boasting 32% year to date growth before this announcement. This alliance has acted as an accelerant, a clear validation that the market believes in the strength of this combined entity. But the most compelling number is not a stock price. It is a 45% productivity gain reported by over 6,000 IBM developers during early testing of their new tools. That is not a prediction. It's a proven claim from their own people, and it's a powerful story that they will carry to their clients. The flagship product of this new alliance is Project Bob, a revolutionary development platform that they're calling the AI-First IDE. The acronym IDE, or Integrated Development Environment, refers to the core software tools that developers use to write, test, and debug code. So Project Bob is designed to transform the entire software development lifecycle. Crucially, it is a multimodal platform, meaning it integrates multiple leading large language models or LLMs, including Anthropic's Claude, Mistral AI, Llama, and their very own IBM Granite into a seamless experience. This platform delivers three critical capabilities to the enterprise. First is intelligent code generation with deep enterprise context, which is how they are able to drive that 45% productivity gain that we spoke about earlier. The second one is automated legacy application on modernization, which is a huge pain point for a lot of clients. And the third one is end-to-end workflow orchestration to manage the complexity of development. For IBM's government and highly regulated clients, this platform emphasizes security first development with FedRAMP hardening. This is how they are bringing trusted, secure AI to the code base. Now let's dive deeper into that 45% productivity claim, because this is a strategic weapon for IBM in the marketplace. This is not just an industry benchmark, it's a prepackaged ROI justification designed to accelerate enterprise adoption and dramatically shorten the sales cycles. It provides market validation by shifting the customer conversation. Instead of clients asking, will this AI tool work for us? The conversation immediately pivots to how quickly can we achieve these 45% productivity gains? It moves IBM from proving the technology to planning the implementation. The critical test for the long-term credibility will be their ability to reproduce this claim, the 45% gain, in external client environments. And that validation will be key for IBM's long-term success. While the code generation IDE is the first flagship product, the real prize in enterprise AI is the shift from AI copilots to autonomous agents. A copilot augments a human worker. An agentic AI automates an entire business process and executes multi-step tasks autonomously. To manage these powerful agents in mission-critical environments, IBM is establishing the Agent Development Lifecycle, or ADLC. This is the blueprint for building, deploying, and governing agentic AI. It has three phases. In the design phase, architecting secure enterprise AI agents using a key framework called the Model Context Protocol, or the MCP. In deployment, implementing the crucial governance frameworks needed for autonomous decision making. And the third, the management, which is the ongoing monitoring and control of AI agents once they are running in mission critical environments. The ultimate goal is to establish ADLC, or Agent Development Lifecycle, as a de facto industry standard. If IBM succeeds, the IBM Anthropic ecosystem becomes the natural, trusted choice for the next generation of enterprise automation, giving IBM immense influence in the market. The partnership is a clear illustration of IBM's strategic pivot. They are not trying to compete in the capital intensive frontier model race. That is a race for other people or other companies. Instead, their focus is squarely on the enterprise integration layer. They are moving from model creator, where they focus on developing proprietary models like Granite, to enterprise orchestrator, delivering a secure multimodal platform via Watson X. Their defensible advantage is not the model itself, it's a secure enterprise wrapper that corporate clients require. They bring the unmatched expertise in security, governance, and hybrid cloud. For Anthropic, this is a channel saturation strategy. Their goal is to ensure that Claude AI is available everywhere enterprises do business. The IBM partnership completes their enterprise coverage by connecting them to AWS and Google Cloud for cloud native companies, Salesforce for the CRM and sales ecosystem, Deloitte for strategic consulting, and now IBM for clients running legacy, on-prem, and complex hybrid IT. And this is where IBM comes in. IBM's global sales team can now champion cloud within organizations that would never engage with a startup directly. This strategy helps neutralize the first mover advantage of their competitors. Now, to reiterate, we're defining the four core ecosystems of enterprise AI. Now, IBM is no longer a competitor to the big three. They are a foundational pillar alongside them. The first three, which is Microsoft Azure, with partners like OpenAI and Anthropic, and its edge in Microsoft 365 integration, powered by flagship GitHub Copilot. Amazon AWS, with Anthropic and proprietary models, leveraging the broadest cloud services through Amazon Bedrock, and Google Cloud, partnering with Gemini and Anthropic, whose edge is in AI research leadership via Vertex AI, and now enters IBM Hybrid Pillar. They are partnering with Anthropic and Granite. Their defensible edge is their leadership in security and governance, and their flagship platforms are Watson X and Project. They are positioned to be secure, enterprise ready alternative. Now, if you look at the ultimate goal of AI, which is autonomous agents. So currently, AI copilots assist human workers. The next step for the agentic AI is to automate the entire business process. The ultimate goal is to have governed autonomous agents that can execute multi-step tasks. Becomes the industry standard, the IBM Anthropic ecosystem could gain significant influence, positioning their platform as the preferred choice for future enterprise automation. This partnership has the potential to reshape how the world's largest organizations deploy AI for years to come. And here is what it means for different audiences. For enterprise leaders, they must immediately pilot Project Bob, the new IDE, and rigorously validate the 45% productivity claims within their own environments. They need to start studying the ADLC framework as a foundation blueprint for the long-term agentic AI strategy. For investors, the focus must be on monitoring key metrics in upcoming earnings report. IBM software revenue growth, new customer wins explicitly attributed to cloud-powered offerings, and the rate of Project Bob IDE adoption, and their own critical success factors, which is external validation of the productivity gains, then a rapid move from preview to general availability of their new offerings, and the expansion of this cloud integration beyond the IDE into the broader IBM portfolio. With that, we come to the end of the show. We sincerely hope that you found this video valuable. Please support our work by joining us as a member. All you have to do is go to the description. And we sincerely hope that you like, share, and subscribe to the AI with Arun show. Thank you.